Okay guys, so I'm finally getting to updating the insulation in my attic, and I wanted to show you a quick lesson on how I'm going to raise the floor in the attic. So you don't want to just hop up there and blow a couple of feet of insulation in. That's wonderful for your R value, but if you ever need to get across your attic, you're either going to have to kick all that nice insulation out of the way, or you need to raise the floor and give yourself a catwalk or a platform to walk across. So most of my attic, the rafters run this way. So I've got a 17-inch 2x4 that's going to lay across the rafters, nail, nail, and then I'm going to take this piece of 2x10 and stand it vertically, and there'll be one of these every couple of feet all the way down the attic, and then I'll lay another 2x10 on top of that. So that will give me an extra 15 inches of clearance on the floor of my attic, so I can get back through there if I ever need to do whatever, run wire, find a leak, just whatever you need to do. So, and this little doodad here is just a jig I'm gluing up so I can be sure to get this riser and this platform square with one another. I don't want them, crooked and zigzaggy as they go down the attic. So I'll show you what it looks like once I get them all put in.